There were three men came out of the west, their fortunes for to try. And these three men made a solemn vow: John Barleycorn must die. They've ploughed, they've sowed, they've harrowed him in through clods upon his head. And these three men made a solemn vow: John Barleycorn was dead. They've let him lie for a very long time, till the rains from heaven did fall. And little Sir John sprung up his head, and so amazed them all. They have let him stand till Midsummer's Day, till he looked both pale and wan. And little Sir John has grown a long, long beard, and so has become a man. They've hired men with their scythes so sharp to cut him off at the knee. They've rolled him and tied him by the way, serving him as barbers leave. They've hired men with their sharp pitchforks who've pricked him to the heart. And the loader will serve him worse than that, for he's bound him to the cart. They wheeled around and around the field till they came unto a pond. And there they made a solemn oath on poor John Barleycorn. They've hired men with their crabtree sticks to cut him skin from bone. And the miller has served him worse than that, for he's ground in between two stones. And little Sir John and the nut brown bowl, and his brandy in the glass. And little Sir John and the nut brown bowl proved the strongest man at last. The huntsman, he can't hunt the fox, nor loudly blow his horn. And the tinker can't mend his kettles or pots without a little barley. Without a little barley.
Grazie.